Hello everyone and welcome back to R&M Lab GH. Today I'm presenting a small project that is simple yet very useful for speeding up your workflow, a dedicated programmer for the ESP-01. This is the compact 8-pin version of the ESP-8266. It's a tiny board but quite powerful with built-in Wi-Fi. The only limitation of this module is its low number of output pins, but it is perfect for small home automation projects where space is at a premium. A simple example: with this board and two relays, we can control a fan and a light remotely, both on a local network and from the outside. What's interesting is that we can also pair it with an Arduino and use it as a Wi-Fi module to control the Arduino's pins remotely, effectively expanding the ESP's capabilities. In this project, I am building a custom baseboard with all the connections and female headers, so you can easily plug in an Arduino Uno to act as a programmer for our module. The best part about this board is its flexibility. You can remove the Arduino at any time to use it for other projects. We will see this little board in action in the next video, featuring a very cool and unique project and idea I came up with just the other day. For this build, we will use a perforated prototyping board, female headers, one LED, a 220 ohm resistor, and some jumper wires. As always, the circuit diagram will be available in the description and will appear on screen during the video. we've almost reached the end of the assembly. As you've noticed, this project is very simple, but in my opinion it is incredibly useful. It allows us to avoid reconnecting all those jumper wires between the Arduino motherboard and the ESP-01 every single time. Often, during the development of a project, we need to program the ESP multiple times to modify or improve the code. With this system, everything is ready in an instant. It gives us the same ease of use as programming a standard Arduino. While there are other dedicated programmers available on the market, since we can build one ourselves using simple and inexpensive components, we save both time and money. Now we'll move to the computer to test the functionality. I'll write a simple test code to verify that everything is correct, ensuring that communication is stable and that data transfers without any errors. This will confirm that all the hardware connections on our board are perfect. Now, let's move to the computer to test the functionality. We'll connect the USB cable to the Arduino. To program this module, we need to ensure that the ESP8266 board support is installed in the Arduino IDE. Let's verify that we've selected the correct port and COM port, and then we'll upload the program. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. The system recognizes the module instantly and uploads the code without any issues. Our DIY programmer is a success. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this project, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Bye.